guys finally.
Yeah, two guys couldn't make it. So
Okay, it's us, huh?
Yes.
Okay,
Only
let's
the
go
best.
for the ticket.
This is the museum shop.
Before we enter. Okay. They were saying that at the very beginning there were three basic powers. First power was chaos. Actually, you speak Greek, perhaps you don't know it, but you speak Greek. Chaos is chaos in Greek. Chaotic, you say. Chaotikos, it's Greek word. And many others, as you will see through the text. Nothing random. Nothing in Greek is random. Uranos means oro and ano. Oro in ancient Greek means I look. Ano, up. Sky. Sky and earth, couple. Brother and sister. Yes, you will hear this a lot. It is part of the ancient Greek mythology. And this is why and this is why I think we have so many monsters in ancient Greek mythology. Really, it is.
Very true.
Actually, the Society of the 12 Gods is the reflection of the ancient Greek society.
Seven you close? Okay. Some photo clip. Some photo clip. Hasan para.
She hears objects. We can use this. We get here. Thank you.
Come on, guys.
Trae unos lentes y algo más.
Parang sinabi ko.
This is a museum outside this. partiality.